Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can import Azure DevOps boards to Kroolo. Here we have a board in Azure DevOps. Content marketing. We can see a list of all the tasks here. We are going to import this board to Kroolo. Let's head back to the Kroolo dashboard. First, click on your profile, then go to Settings. On the left, click on Integrations. In the search, type Azure. You will see this card. Simply click on Connect. Azure DevOps is successfully connected. Here we can see the import scope. When you click on it, you will be able to see the import scope. These are the things that can be imported. Now, to import a board, first we need to select an organization. Simply click on this and select your organization. Next, you need to select the project. Simply click on Select Project and select the project that you want to import. Then, you need to select the team. Click on this and select the team. Next, we need to select the workspace in which we want to import the board. Click on Select Workspace and select the workspace. You can also enable two-way sync. We can see it's already enabled here. When you click on this, you will be able to see all the items for which you can enable this. Once done, simply hit Import. Here, you are going to see a summary of all the items that will be imported. Simply click on Next. Here, you can assign the users, or you can skip it. Let's quickly assign a user. Click on Assign User and select a user from the list. Then click on Confirm Import. Our board is successfully imported. Let's head back to Home. Let's navigate to the Projects section, and here we can see the project that we just imported. Let's open this project, and here we can see all the tasks. That's how you can easily import boards from Azure DevOps.